My Whoop is telling me that my VO2 max is only 37, and I'm trying to diet, but I also want to live long. So I thought it would be good to do some high intensity interval training. I know a lot of people struggle with HIIT, so I'm going to show you 7 different ways that if you've just got a field or a piece of road or anything, that you can do the same thing. You can do as many sets, as many reps as you want to. I'm just going to go through each one of them and do 1 round of each because I might die. So the first one is going to be suicides. Suicides is where you run 10 meters, run back to the start, run 20 meters as fast as you can, jog back to the start, and then sprint the 30 meters, jog back to the start. Give it 30 seconds, a minute rest, whatever you need, and then go again. And then 3 of those is 1 round. Obviously need some energy as well. It's always a good idea to warm up as well before you start. I'm already warm, so there you go. I've just marked out 3. You might be able to see them. 3 spaced 10 meters apart, 10 yards ish. I'm going to sprint to the first one, jog back, second one, jog back, third one, jog back. That's 1 round of suicides, 3 of them. It's pretty tiring. You can do as many rounds as that as you want. I'm just going to do the 1 round because I'm doing 6 others. You can follow me, you can do whatever you want. Just examples. The second one is ladder shuttles, and it's similar to this one, but you've got an extra 20 meters to go. Sprint to the first one, jog backwards to the previous one, sprint to the next one, and repeat all the way up to 50 meters. And again, 3 of these will be 1 round. You do as many rounds as you want. that was one round, and as you can see, it's pretty freaking hard. It's in the UK, 29 degrees. If you've ever been to the UK, it'll feel like Dubai in the summer because of the humidity, but we're still doing it anyway. The next one is going to be Tabata sprints. This one is 20 seconds all like intensity with 10 seconds rest. So I'll be running probably the length of this football pitch, turn around and a bit further back, and then walk the rest of the way back. Normally it would be around about 8 rounds for this. I'm just going to do one round being the 20-second and the 10-second rest. I'm going to do one because I've got another 4 after this to do, but you do as many as you want. If you're doing 8 rounds, you probably just carry on. That's enough for me, show you what to do. The next one is going to be flying sprints. Flying sprints is jog 10 to 20 meters, sprint 20 to 30, decelerate and then walk back. 3 of these will be 1 round. I'll do 1 round. One round, do as many of them as you want. I'm not too sure how many this is. We'll call this the final one. This is going to be 100s. So this one, when I get my breath back, is going to be sprint, 40 meters, slow down, jog, just decelerate for 20 meters and then sprint the 40 meters. Rest at the other side, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever you need, and do the same coming back. Pretty simple. I'll do 1 more round of these. You do as many rounds as you want, it's up to you. And there you go, that was, I don't know, I think there must have been 5 or 6. I said 7, but yeah, you got 5 or 6. If you enjoyed that and you want to see something else, cardio, training, nutrition, etc., comment below. And if not, fuck you. Break.